Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. Today, Travis and I are going to pick up the big surprise. So we're in Travis's truck. We are headed out between Cuba City and Darlington, where there's something waiting for us that we're gonna go pick up, bring back to the farm. And that's just kind of the big task for today, is getting it home. I've never really driven one myself, but I have moved one and I've been in one. I'm familiar with them. I've studied to drive them, but I don't have my CDL. So we're gonna head over there. There's someone that is selling a truck for a very reasonable price, so I think that we could really use it. I think it'd be pretty useful. So we're gonna head over there now and pick it up.
Looks like we got us a convoy.
Okay. I don't think it's too bad for what I'm paying.
Oh gosh, no. Wooden steering wheel, heck yeah. What year is this?
96. Probably the same year as the 76.
I don't know if that's 96 or 94. So what's gonna be your handle?
Rubber ducky.
Oh yeah. It smells really clean.
All right, well, should we seal her up and...
Yeah, I threw the tarp up. I'll shut the hood.
What's that? Turn.
They're spinning, man. You're really in trouble. And after driving a while, you'll figure out where those sweet spots are for downshifting. That's the hardest part.
Westbound and down, 18 wheels are rolling. Are we gonna do what they say can't be done? We've got a long way to go and a short time to get there. I'm westbound, just watch old bandit run.
November Class 3 milk futures up a penny at 14.76. December up 12 at 15.17. January up 11.
He's lucky he didn't go over.
Wow.
He ended up, there's a tire in there.
Wow. Pretty cool. We just got back with the 96 Freightliner. So now begins the long trial period of taking it down the road and trying not to kill ourselves.
See this lever?
Yep.
Pull that lever out.
Good.
And obviously put your landing gear down, pull that lever out, crank up on the landing gear. It'll lock in a position.
There you go.
Now I'll do it. It was all tangled.
Right, is it untangled?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, that must have been the problem. It's faster.
Color coded.
Just the reverse process when you go to hook it back up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this is probably best too. Just the truck and go up and down the back roads.
Want to shut it off? I can run you back.
Yep.
I'll call Tandem up and ask
Well, you're gonna drop it there?
Well, we gotta see if
them. Yeah, I gotta see when to take it first.
Yeah.
So, we pulled the trailer away from the semi. The reason being is because, as you can probably see there, some of the wires are showing in the tires. And I'm not gonna drive the semi like that, so I'm gonna call up, I'm gonna look around a little bit and see if I can find some good retreaded tires. This is a 43-foot Wilson trailer. It's got a tarp on it, obviously, and it can hold roughly anywhere between 900 and 1100 bushels, depending on how heavy you're loaded. That's really all there is to it. It's a pretty nice trailer. They wanted $15,000 for this and $8,000 for the truck. I went and dropped Andrew off. Now we gotta do some work on this thing to get it, you know, good to use for commercial purposes other than just for us on the farm. My goal is to get my CDL eventually, and one of the things that I want to do is just kind of use this thing for the farm at first, get used to it, get used to handling it, because earlier I actually did try to drive it away from where we bought it from, and I got it moving, but Andrew just said, why don't I drive, and then you can kind of see how things are on the truck and how it sounds when you're shifting, and it sounds way different shifting than it did when I was driving. So now I know at least what to expect. But now that we have the trailer pulled off, it will actually be easier to kind of get used to driving as well. Without the length of the trailer back there, I can kind of get used to shifting. So that's really all about I'm going to talk about today. I probably will go through and talk more about the truck on the insides and once I'm used to driving it and stuff, but I don't really want to talk overly about it too much, just because I will admit that I don't really know a whole lot about trucks, and it's going to take experience to really know and to talk to you guys about it. So I'm looking forward to using it. I want to try taking it out and, you know, driving it around as soon as possible, just so I can start getting used to it. So that's one of the tires that needs replacing. There, it looks like there's a pole barn nail in this one right there. That needs something done about it. And then probably replace this tire as well, because it is cracking. So just need to go through, grease it. It's been sitting around for a couple months, so the grease on the fifth wheel is pretty dry. I guess everything else that needs to be done with it, we'll learn about it as we drive it. Andrew tested out both the horns. He said that neither of them are working, so we got to have a look at those as well. But all in good time. Just gotta do or work on things as we find them, and I think that just by having this truck on the farm, it'll really help our bottom line, because let's say it costs us 60 cents a mile to run one of these on the road, which for the amount of starting and stopping that we'll do, I'm not really sure if that's exactly what it will be, but even at that much, on every load that we take down to the grain elevator will cost us around $20 in fuel, compared to what we're paying now, which ranges between 17 and 23 cents a bushel depending on where we're at. So right now it's costing us roughly $200 a load just to move our grain, and that's one of the reasons I bought this truck, is because I wanted to help improve all of our bottom lines. And I was thinking about going out and buying a tractor, but the thing about a tractor is that it indirectly pays for itself, whereas a semi will directly pay for itself. And taking out the loan for this, you know, it's not very difficult to work out the math, saying, hey, you know, as long as I'm hauling this much every year, I'll have it paid off in this amount of time. And I actually extended my loan out. I went and talked to my loan officer, and I got just north of 3% interest on this thing. We were discussing it. I originally wanted to go for a 3-year loan, but we decided that if we took it out for a little bit longer, I could still pay it off in 3 years at the same amount of interest. But if something goes wrong, like tires need to be replaced or something, I can afford to fix it rather than just kind of, you know, barely breaking even throughout the years as I pay it off. So Travis is out harvesting across the road right now. I got the 46 out there. We're gonna head over there and just kind of start following him around, but I won't be including that in this video. So I just want to talk about the semi a little bit. I'm sure I will make more videos on it. Me learning to drive it a little bit more, I'll probably do a video on that. So just wanted to kind of discuss with you guys about what we bought. So with that, I'll let you all go. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out all of our other ones. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all How Farms Work. And I'll see you next time.
So real quick before I sign off, if anybody knows how to operate a CB radio, let me know. Because oh, there we go. Never used one of these things in my life, but I don't know. This thing's got pretty good lights. The high beams are much better than on my truck, on my pickup. I just started it up to play with the lights. Got the utility light in the back, so you can see where you're backing up to. It's pretty bright. So I'm really looking forward to using this thing. Even comes with a little pocket knife. So with that, I just wanted to say that we are doing another hat giveaway today. So if you guys are interested in winning a How Farms Work hat, be sure to leave a comment. We will give away a How Farms Work hat at random. So with that, I'll let you all go. Thanks for watching this video, guys.